Hey guys, it's Maureen. I have all of my broth. Well, it's onions, celery, and some of the spices. If you watch part one of making onion broth, this is now turned into delicious onion soup. Or you can pour it over chicken or in a crock pot. I'm going to do it with a beef roast. So I'm going to can that today. I didn't get a chance to. Our fire department had a fire call. So we were on that yesterday for such a long time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the crock pot. I had it in jars all night long. So then I just heated it up. And I already have my little lids in hot water. And the water was boiling hot water. And I already have my pressure canner. It's a Nesco. And it's going to be at 10 pounds of pressure for 35 minutes to process it. And I thought this would fit more jars, but it's only going to be 4. So there's a chance I'm going to have to do this twice. So as soon as I get some done, I will come right back. Okay, guys, I have 4 of them in. And I'm going to plug in my pressure canner now. My big drawback is trying to do everything, including cleaning at the same time. I'm not good at that. I got to learn how to clean as I go along. Now, what I'm going to do is set this to close. Okay, so hopefully I remember how to do this. Put it on high. I'm going to pressure. Okay, sorry about the dog barking. So I'm going to hit pressure cook. I think high. No, it's just pressure cook. Then I have to hit I think this is the one I have to go to 35. And I think I hit the start. Oops, hold on. I think I did that wrong. Okay, guys, sorry about the dog barking. I guess he doesn't like this. So I hit pressure can. I hit 35 minutes. I'm just going to press the start button. And it's going to go through its cycle. And what I did was you have to put it on exhaust. So then once it goes through its cycle until it counts down to 0, then you're going to put it to the airtight. So hopefully it's going to come out good. It tasted delicious so far. So I'll be back and keep you posted. I don't know how to combine all of my videos right now. So that's why I'm trying to just keep this one going and not do separate parts. And then the dog didn't like the beeping of the pressure canner. But we'll come back as soon as I can.